if a motorcycle could survive bad roads, dusty trails, daily commuting, and years of hard use, without demanding constant repairs or expensive maintenance? What if one bike was built not to impress on paper, but to perform every single day in real life? Today we are talking about a motorcycle that represents durability, simplicity, and trust, the 2026 Honda XR150R. Make sure you stay till the very end of this video, because a special surprise is waiting that true motorcycle lovers will definitely appreciate. The Honda XR name has always stood for one thing above all else: reliability across different countries, climates, and terrains. XR motorcycles have earned a reputation for being tough, dependable, and easy to live with. The XR150R continues this tradition by focusing on the essentials that matter most to riders who actually use their bikes daily. This motorcycle is not about trends or flashy features. It is about confidence, control, and long-term ownership. The 2026 Honda XR150R is powered by a 149cc air-cooled single-cylinder, four-stroke engine that has been refined for consistent and predictable performance. This engine is designed to deliver usable power rather than aggressive speed. Throttle response is smooth and controlled, making the bike easy to ride on loose gravel, muddy tracks, or broken city roads. This kind of tuning helps riders feel connected to the bike and confident in all conditions. One of the biggest advantages of this engine is its simplicity. Air cooling reduces mechanical complexity, which directly improves reliability. With fewer components to fail, the XR150R is well suited for hot weather, long rides, and areas where advanced servicing facilities are not easily available. Honda's engineering ensures that the engine maintains stable performance even after hours of riding, making it a trustworthy companion for daily use. The torque-focused nature of the engine allows the bike to pull strongly at low and mid-range RPMs. This is especially useful when riding off-road, climbing uneven surfaces, or navigating traffic where constant acceleration and deceleration are required. The engine does not feel stressed, even when ridden for extended periods, which contributes to its long lifespan. The 5-speed manual transmission complements the engine perfectly. Lower gears provide excellent control during slow-speed riding, while higher gears allow relaxed cruising on open roads. Gear shifts are smooth and mechanical, giving the rider a direct connection to the bike. The clutch action is light, which helps reduce fatigue during long rides or stop-and-go traffic situations. Fuel efficiency is one of the strongest reasons why the XR150R remains popular year after year. The lightweight design combined with efficient engine tuning allows the 2026 XR150R to deliver impressive mileage. This makes it ideal for riders who want low running costs without compromising on usability. Fewer fuel stops mean more time riding and less money spent, which is a major advantage for daily commuters and long-distance riders alike. The frame of the 2026 Honda XR150R is built with durability as the top priority. The strong steel frame is designed to handle rough terrain and repeated impacts without losing stability. This frame absorbs shocks effectively while maintaining balance, which is crucial for off-road riding and uneven surfaces. Despite its toughness, the bike remains lightweight, making it easy to handle for riders of different experience levels. Suspension is a key highlight of the XR150R. The front telescopic forks offer long travel, allowing the bike to absorb bumps, potholes, and rocks with ease. At the rear, the monoshock suspension provides stability and traction, even when the terrain becomes unpredictable. During 2026, Honda has fine-tuned the suspension to improve comfort, without sacrificing off-road capability. This balance makes the bike suitable for both daily commuting and adventurous riding. Braking performance on the XR150R follows Honda's philosophy of simplicity and reliability. The front disc brake offers confident stopping power, while the rear drum brake provides controlled braking. On loose surfaces, this setup is easy to manage and predictable, which is especially important when riding on dirt or gravel, where aggressive braking can cause loss of control. The braking system works in harmony with the bike's overall character. The design of the 2026 Honda XR150R reflects its purpose-driven nature. The high front fender upright stance, wide handlebars, and minimal body panels give the bike a rugged and functional look. Every design element serves a purpose rather than aesthetics alone. The refreshed graphics for 2026 add a modern touch, while preserving the classic XR identity that riders recognize instantly. The riding position is upright and comfortable, allowing the rider to stay relaxed during long rides. The wide handlebars provide excellent leverage and control, especially when navigating tight trails or uneven surfaces. The seat height offers a good balance between ground clearance and accessibility, making it suitable for a wide range of riders. The seat itself is firm but supportive, designed for durability and long-distance comfort. Rather than soft luxury, one of the most appealing aspects of the XR150R is its low maintenance requirement. With minimal electronics and a simple mechanical design, this motorcycle is easy to service and inexpensive to maintain. Routine maintenance can be done without specialized tools, and spare parts are widely available. This makes the XR150R a practical choice for riders who depend on their bike daily and cannot afford frequent downtime. The 2026 Honda XR150R suits a wide variety of riders. Beginners appreciate its forgiving power delivery and easy handling. Experienced riders value its durability and versatility. Rural riders rely on its toughness, while urban commuters benefit from its ability to handle poor road conditions effortlessly. Adventure enthusiasts who prefer lightweight and manageable machines find the XR150R to be an excellent companion for exploration. When compared to other motorcycles in the 150cc segment, the XR150R stands apart due to its off-road focus and long-term reliability. While many street-oriented bikes may offer higher top speeds or modern digital features, they often struggle on broken roads and demand higher maintenance. The XR150R, on the other hand, thrives in challenging conditions and rewards owners with years of dependable service. Honda has always been known for building motorcycles that last, and the 2026 XR150R continues that tradition. This bike is not about short-term excitement or marketing trends. It is about trust, endurance, and real-world usability. Riders who choose the XR150R are choosing a machine that works quietly in the background, delivering consistent performance day after day. As promised at the beginning, here is the surprise for those who stayed till the end. In an upcoming video on Z Advisor, we will bring a full real-world comparison of the Honda XR150R. Keep following Z Auto Advisor. More detailed reviews, comparisons, and rider-focused content are coming very soon, and the next one might just help you choose your perfect motorcycle.